Curious about the meaning of your 2024 Nissan Versa dashboard warning lights? What do these indicators reveal about your vehicle's status? Explore this guide to understand your cluster display and stay informed about essential alerts. If we talk about its interior, the dashboard offers sleek design and advanced, user-friendly technology. The touchscreen display provides interactive controls, while the instrument cluster shows key vehicle information. Climate control system provides dual-zone comfort, maintaining ideal temperatures for both the driver and passengers. The gear shifter selects the vehicle's driving mode. The steering wheel controls the direction of the vehicle by turning the front wheels. The engine powers the vehicle by converting fuel into mechanical energy. Meters and gauges. Cluster indicators. Charge warning light, brake warning light. Continuously variable transmission position indicator light. Master warning light, seatbelt warning light. Door open warning light, engine oil pressure warning light. Security indicator light, supplemental airbag warning light, slip indicator light, anti-lock brake system indicator, high temperature warning light, malfunction indicator light, low tire pressure warning light, turn signal and hazard warning indicators, side light and headlight indicator light, high beam indicator, high beam assist indicator light, front passenger airbag status light, sport mode indicator, front fog light indicator light, low windshield washer fluid warning light, power steering warning light, rear automatic braking warning light, vehicle dynamic control off indicator light, automatic emergency braking with pedestrian detection system warning light, low fuel warning light, Nissan intelligent key warning light, set indicator light, lane departure warning, cruise indicator light, shift P warning light, safety precautions, know your symbols, immediate attention. Don't ignore a flashing symbol. Stop driving for red warning lights. Check manual for unknown symbols. Regular maintenance. Cluster awareness. Don't distract yourself. Low visibility of symbols. Use an OBD2 scanner for diagnostics. General dashboard warning symbols are designed to help you understand the most common indicators found in all vehicles. Whether you're driving a sedan, SUV, or truck, these symbols play a crucial role in keeping you informed about your vehicle's condition and safety. Knowing what these symbols mean and how to respond can help prevent breakdowns, maintain your car's performance, and ensure your safety on the road. From the check engine light to the oil pressure and battery indicators, each symbol serves as an alert to help you take action before a small issue becomes a bigger problem. Understanding these warnings can give you peace of mind, keeping you aware of potential issues and allowing you to address them promptly. Now let's dive into the most common symbols you may encounter and what they mean for your vehicle. Now that we've covered some of the essential symbols, keep in mind that while many dashboard indicators are universal, some may differ depending on the make and model of your vehicle. It's always a good idea to consult your car's manual for specific meanings and recommendations. Remember, staying informed about these warning lights helps you maintain your vehicle's performance and ensures your safety on the road. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more car maintenance tips. Thank you for watching.